How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Just to say, Bitcoin, if you haven't seen, if you're not watching, has wicked through 40,800. It has wicked below and actually came down. Let me just zoom in, get to the minute for the right price. Wicked down to 40,404. And we have bounced and we are now back above. So hopefully, guys, this was the back test that we were looking for, and from here we will have a run up to 44.3, and if that doesn't play out, if we don't get that move up to 44.3, then we're going to see something like this, and I don't want to see something like this. But essentially, guys, if we don't move, if we don't move up soon, following this bounce, if this isn't just like a quick wicks and same speed that we came down, if we don't see the move in a similar sort of pace, it can staircase, but it can't hang around. It can't be consolidation here. It can't be trying to decide what it's doing. It needs to just move, and if it doesn't, then this is what will happen. Whether it takes 10 hours or whether it takes 10 days, we will end up coming down to circa the 38 range. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put a couple in here because this is kind of what we need to see. If we don't see that, then this is what's going to happen. If we make it down and don't get support at 37.8, we're then dropping to 34, and I think that the quicker we drop, the longer it's going to take us to get back up. So yeah, it's really unfortunate that Bitcoin is such a dominant force in the entire crypto market, but it is what it is. That there is no way around it in the short term, and until Bitcoin gets up to and holds above 44.5, we are essentially looking bearish. And if we do wick down here, sub 38,000, in my mind, that's us confirmed in a bear market. And I'm honest, you all know that, and I say how it is, I say what I see, and at the moment I'm still bullish because I have been awaiting this back test of 40,800, and we've just had it within the last hour. So fingers crossed from here we just continue and move higher. But if we don't, if we come back down to the 40,400 range where we've just been, then more than likely we'll consolidate around that zone and move lower. So that's it. I've said the same information over and over. You got a triple strike here. We need to move now. We need to move up. We need to move up to 44 and hold and get above and then break again, and that should be the beginning of a bull run. But yeah, worst case scenario is if we consolidate lower than 40,800, we will more than likely move back to 37,800 and possibly lower, but I'll take that day by day. So signs look good for the last hour. Not too concerned about the wick and the bounce. That's kind of what I was hoping to see. But just to say, guys, just because we've received this bounce doesn't mean that we're out of the woods. It just means that we were expecting to make one more low before we move on, and hopefully this is it. But we just need some strong plays now. And just looking at the wider markets, everything seems to be down. So I'm probably 60% bear at the moment and 40% bull. So that's it. Please like and subscribe, and you'll see a few more Bitcoin over the coming days. Take care.